Are you aware of the foods that could be harming your liver? In this in-depth video, we explore the top 30 foods that can potentially damage your liver over time. From sugary drinks to processed snacks, learn about the dietary choices that could be impacting your liver health and discover strategies for making healthier choices. Join us as we uncover the importance of liver health and how to support it through mindful nutrition. Don't miss out on this essential information for your well-being. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying our bodies, making it essential to nourish it properly. Join us as we explore 30 foods that can negatively affect your liver health. 1. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver damage, including conditions like alcoholic liver disease and cirrhosis. 2. Processed foods. Foods high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats and additives can contribute to liver fat accumulation and inflammation. 3. Sugary drinks. Beverages like soda and fruit juices often contain high amounts of added sugars, contributing to fatty liver disease and insulin resistance. 4. Fried foods. Deep-fried or oily foods can increase inflammation and contribute to liver damage over time. 5. Red meat. Consuming too much red meat, especially processed varieties, has been linked to an increased risk of liver disease. 6. High-sodium foods. Excessive salt intake can lead to fluid retention and contribute to liver damage, especially in individuals with pre-existing liver conditions. 7. White bread and pastries. Refined grains found in white bread and pastries can spike blood sugar levels and contribute to liver fat accumulation. 8. High fructose corn syrup. This common sweetener, found in many processed foods and beverages, can contribute to liver fat buildup and insulin resistance. 9. Artificial sweeteners. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt liver function and contribute to metabolic syndrome. 10. Trans fats. Found in processed and fried foods, trans fats can increase inflammation and contribute to liver damage. 11. Excessive coffee. While moderate coffee consumption may have health benefits, excessive caffeine intake can stress the liver and interfere with its function. 12. Canned foods. Canned foods often contain high levels of sodium and preservatives, which can be harmful to liver health when consumed excessively. 13. Charred meats. Cooking meats at high temperatures can produce harmful compounds that may contribute to liver damage over time. 14. Non-organic produce. Conventionally grown fruits and vegetables may contain pesticide residues that can stress the liver's detoxification pathways. 15. Highly processed snacks. Snack foods like chips, crackers, and cookies often contain unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives that can harm liver health. 16. Dairy products. High-fat dairy products may contribute to liver fat accumulation and inflammation when consumed in excess. 17. Energy drinks. These beverages often contain high levels of caffeine and sugar, which can stress the liver and lead to adverse health effects. 18. Margarine. This artificial butter substitute contains trans fats, which can increase inflammation and contribute to liver damage. 19. Fast food. High in unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories, fast food can contribute to liver fat accumulation and other health issues. 20. Excessive supplements. Taking too many supplements, especially without medical supervision, can overload the liver and lead to toxicity. 21. Deli meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli cuts contain high levels of sodium and additives that can strain the liver. 22. High-fat snacks. Snacks like potato chips and fried snacks are high in unhealthy fats, contributing to liver damage and weight gain. 23. Margarines and shortenings. These hydrogenated fats can increase inflammation and damage liver cells over time. 24. Excessive red meat. Consuming large amounts of red meat, particularly processed varieties, may increase the risk of liver diseases like fatty liver. 25. Shellfish. Shellfish can accumulate toxins like mercury, which, when consumed in excess, can affect liver function. 26. Excessive dairy. High-fat dairy products contain saturated fats that may contribute to liver fat accumulation and inflammation. 27. Store-bought salad dressings. Many salad dressings contain high levels of unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives which can harm liver health. 28. Packaged snack bars. These convenient snacks often contain high amounts of added sugars and unhealthy fats, contributing to liver damage. 29. Condiments. High in sugar. Condiments like ketchup and barbecue sauce can contain significant amounts of added sugars, impacting liver health. 30. Highly processed breakfast cereals. Breakfast cereals with high sugar content can contribute to liver fat accumulation and insulin resistance. It's crucial to remember that moderation is key when it comes to maintaining a healthy liver. While occasional indulgence in these foods may not be harmful, consistent overconsumption can lead to serious liver issues and other health problems. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, making mindful choices about what you eat can significantly impact your liver health and overall well-being. Stay tuned for more informative content and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Take care and see you next time.